We're going to do something super special today, and they're not baby chickens. There might be one thing better than frog legs in this world, and it's quail. Let's get this cook going. I've got 1.5 cups of pomegranate juice. We've got a cup of orange juice, about 2/3 of a teaspoon of dried ginger. I've got a 1/2 cup of fresh local honey. Got this burner on high, and we're adding 2 tablespoons of sweet red chili sauce. I'm just going to bring this up to a boil, and then we'll simmer it, reduce it about half till it thickens up a bit. See how she's thickened up? It's been about 20 minutes, I would guess, 15. Look at that beautiful red color. Now the last thing I want to do, this is optional for you, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne, dried cayenne. Just give it a mild bite on the back end. Just look at the beautiful color. We're going to turn this guy off. It'll continue to thicken up. Let's get these quail ready. Look at that. For those of you thinking baby chickens, not. What they are is delicate, delicious quail. And you can see they're already cleaned. They're kind of spatchcocked like a chicken you would do. Now, these things are awesome. They don't take long to cook. Got a little duck fat here. Duck fat, in addition to making the world go around, act as a binder on these guys, and will also help make the skin crispy. So we got them sprayed up. For my seasoning, I'm going to use our Armadillo pepper signature rub. You don't have this, you don't want to buy it, don't. You can use your favorite barbecue rub. I would use a pork rub, not a beef rub. If you are interested in this, I'll put a link in the iCard, description box, whatever it's called. Pretty simple, right? Now, we're going to get these guys on the Pit Boss. It's only going to take 3 to 5 minutes aside. Let's get the lid down. We've got this Pit Boss set on 350. You can see it's run at 335. We just opened it up. Now for my pellets today, I'm using hickory. I know you might be thinking, hickory, that's way too strong for these delicate birds. Look, we're cooking at that 350. We're only going to be 3 to 5 minutes each side. It's not going to have a lot of time to get much smoke flavor, so that hickory is going to be just fine. Pomegranate quail's been resting here. Look at him. You know the one I'm getting. The one that's got the little bit of the char on it. Look at that. Sticky. Good. Let's give it a try. Better than chicken. If you've not had quail, better than chicken. More delicate. That pomegranate sauce bursting with flavor. I got to tell you, I've made this a few times, so this is not the first. Probably can't see the dog. She's down here just waiting for me to give her a bite. Look, if you've not had quail, I would really encourage you to get it. I think I already said it was better than chicken. Thanks for watching.